been trying to open the YouTube Desktop Studio on your phone and it keeps redirecting you to the YouTube Studio app, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 working methods you can use to access the full YouTube Desktop Studio on your Android phone. If you want to upload videos, check monetization, edit advanced settings, or view dashboard properly, this video is for you. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let's look at method 1. This is the most reliable method. Step 1. You are going to open your Chrome browser or any browser you are using. Step 2. In the address bar or on the search bar, type studio.youtube.com, not youtube.com. Step 3. Before the page fully loads, tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner. Step 4. Scroll up. You are going to see desktop sites. Tap on the small box beside it. After that, refresh the page. Just wipe down the front of your phone and it will refresh. Once it reloads, it will open the full YouTube Studio desktop dashboard, where you will now see your channel analytics, recent videos, and the upload button at the top right corner, which is the create button. Method 2. If method 1 doesn't work for you, in your Chrome address bar or search bar, type this website http://studio.youtube.com/? app equals to desktop, then send. After typing and sending, immediately tap on the 3 dots again, top right corner. Scroll up a bit. You are going to see desktop site. Tap on the small box beside it. Then refresh the page again by swiping down the front of your phone. This will force YouTube to load the desktop version instead of redirecting you to the YouTube Studio app. Then method 3. Sometimes YouTube keeps opening the app, the YouTube Studio app, because of stored cookies or cache. So here is what to do. Open your Chrome browser, tap on the 3 dots, top right corner. Go to the settings, click on privacy and security, then tap clear browsing data. Select cookies and site data and cached images and files. Then clear the data. We open the Chrome browser again. Click on the 3 dots. Turn on the desktop site. Go to the search bar. Type studio.youtube.com and then send. If the 3 methods still doesn't work, try Incognito Mode. This is how to use the Incognito Mode. Open your Chrome browser. Tap on the 3 dots, top right corner. Select New Incognito tab. Turn on the desktop site. Then go to the search bar. Type studio.youtube.com. Incognito Mode bypasses the saved settings and often opens the desktop dashboard successfully. So when that is done, if you see a message asking for identity verification or further information, do not panic. Click continue and confirm it's you. Just make sure the website you open starts with https://. Okay? Complete the verification process and your dashboard will open normally. And that's it. If one method doesn't work, try the next one. One of them will definitely open your YouTube Desktop Studio. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more creator tutorials. See you on the next one. Bye.